I think Trend Signal is very helpful for people beginning because it's very visual. It's not complicated, where some other forms of software are. You see it and then you act on it.
Yeah, I've been using Ensign software for 2003, 2004 with Trend Signal, a software that that gelled with me. I've tried loads of different software over the years. Like every trader, they try every $97 software that you can get from the internet. And one thing I've always come back to is Trend Signal.
I find it very useful and helpful for trading commodities, gold and silver in particular. It's a very simple colour-coded set of indicators and help, which if you follow in a natural progressive order, helps you to make money.
It gives me entries, entry points, it gives me targets and levels, stops, levels where if it does go the other way, your loss is limited. So it gives me my trading plan, I suppose. And I use, as you can see on 3 charts there, there's a 240 minute, an hour and a 15 minute. And when it says red, it's to go down, when it says green, it's to go up. And you have your points to get in and to get out. So it just simplifies it, really.
Like, trading can be a very lonely profession, if you want to call it that, in that you can be sat there in front of your computer screen all alone. You have an online community there of traders through Skype. The lads in Trend Signal, they're just a phone call away. Sometimes I'll give them the once over my trades, is this okay? They'll generally say, read that thing again, or yeah, that looks fine. It's just the backup is excellent, and the new products they seem to be bringing on stream as well is just, they just seem to keep doing it, and I just find it excellent.
So the gold market's had a big run up over the last couple of months. We've been talking about a lot over the workshops in the last 2 or 3 weeks, 4 weeks or so. Market was coming into a big range, tightening up, lower highs, higher lows, as the market was really congesting as we moved through to July. We broke out of that, as we talked about, we called it in the workshops. The market then broke to the upside, and now we're seeing the market really moving quite a lot higher now. Just hit a big resistance level in that sort of 1779 area there. Just hit that level just a couple of days ago, middle of last week. We hit it, found resistance, and now we're just pausing at that level now. Where it's going to go from there, I kind of think we're probably going to have a bit of a pullback before a bit more of a rally to new highs. I think after the congestion over the summer months, I do feel that this market's got a bit further to go. But at this stage, the market's got to give a little bit back before it can carry on further up. A bit like an elastic band, it's overstretched at the moment, it's got to get back a little bit, and it can stretch a little bit further from there. So we'll see over the next couple of months here. We're just pausing right now, waiting for a little bit more action going forward.
So you'd recommend it to someone starting out then?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, yeah. It's a very good software for, if they read the manual, go to the workshops and get a real understanding of how it works, it will make you money.
Criteria, we're in there. Stop loss there. Profit target there, and we're in.
I thought it was brilliant actually. I've learnt quite a lot today. Definitive entry criteria was good for me. That's been a little bugbear of mine, and learning what to look for on the higher time frames has been a big help for me really with my trading.
Very good. It was something that I wasn't sure of to begin with, but when I got here and then started to get into it, is exactly what I really wanted to know. Again, it's one of those areas that the market's so volatile, you don't know what it's going to do, and to get a program that then helps you with guidelines like the pivots and that, to sort of enable you to interpret what it means and the best time to get in and then get out, it's great. Again, with a new starter like me, I found that the program again gave me that little bit of encouragement to try it and then sort of step in and say, right, I think I can do this.